Autel MaxiLink ML529 is the new released OBD tool from well-known brand Autel in the automotive aftermarket. The code reader gets the complete 10 modes of OBDII functions, including read and clear codes, read IM readiness status, test O2 sensor system, onboard monitor, and evap system, etc., to help you effectively avoid excessive costs for unnecessary repairs. On top of that, compared with other products at similar prices, the scanner features the enhanced Mode 6 access to read the definition of a monitor ID and the patented one-key IM readiness test to give you a state emissions check with just a press of a button, and the AutoVIN function so that the scanner can automatically identify the vehicle. It provides the easy-to-use repair solutions, making diagnosing vehicles a snap, so any DIYers and mechanics can squeeze in more productivity whenever and wherever possible.